Today is Monday, October 10th. This is the 1970 Cadillac Eldorado 6-way power seat mechanism for my friend Keith in Washington. This is a 8 degree of freedom kinematic motion power seat mechanism. General Motors refers to it as a 6-way power seat, but we have 8 degrees of freedom. For those of you who are engineers out in the audience, we have linear forward and back, unified raising and lowering, up and down in the front, up and down in the back. So that's 8 degrees of freedom, and General Motors refers to this as the 6-way power seat mechanism. So this unit has been completely disassembled, and I'm going to go ahead and connect it to power. This is the third video out of a 3-video set where I'm doing a functional validation test, and we'll be looking for the units, both the right-hand passenger side and the left-hand driver side, to be moving into unison, in concert with each other, as the motion is articulated by the power joystick controller module. So I'll go ahead and I'll begin by moving the unit forwardly, back, front up, front down, rear up, rear down, and unified up, unified down. And we'll go ahead and bring it back forwardly and backwardly and calibrate it to the front. So this is the 6-way power seat mechanism by General Motors. This is for the 1970 Cadillac Eldorado. The unit is substantially consistent all the way from 1967 through 1976. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts from 1967 to 1978 for the Cadillac Eldorado. Over 375,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, these power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, power door lock actuators, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Monday, October 10th. Thank you very kindly.